Hello everybody, we are back and we are continuing. This is part 2 of how to make money. I'm trying to make those videos short so you don't have to get too bored of watching something if it's not actually give you the information that you want. So let's jump back in. So what we got here right now, we were talking about the 5 Mile app, and the 5 Mile app is kind of an app that you can post a certain item for free, but for certain item, again, it's going to be from your phone. They're going to ask you to pay if you want to boost the item. What I recommend is never to pay them because other people already paying them for the same item, and when there is like 30 people paying to be on the top, obviously one person will be at number 30 on the bottom of the list, and most likely it's going to be you. So don't give them any money, just put a new posting with different item, with different location, with different prices. Sometimes when you put the same item and you put a $5 different on a $100 item, someone actually will come and give you more money for the more expensive item. For some odd reason, people think that it will be better. I don't know why, but you should try it, you should learn, but this is one way to do that. Now, that being said, 5 Mile started as a very small app that was kind of really not working at all. It was total waste of time, and right now it start catching. So please give it a try. I still think that on top of the list it will be like the actually OfferUp, then the letgo, then the 5 Mile. Then other thing that you can do is go on your Instagram. This is some of my Instagram. I don't have a lot of following because I hardly even using it. But lately I discovered that I can actually upload certain video through my Facebook advertisement for different items, and a lot of people saw that and actually came and asked if they can purchase certain item or purchase the services that I'm doing. For example, if you're gonna go here and press one of the helmet that I was posting, it will actually show you
Motor
the
Style
video.
Helmet Shop. We just got a new shipment of tours.
Okay, and the cool thing about this is people that following you will be able to actually see this and then share it with their friends. So for example, for motorcycle riders, suddenly you're gonna have a lot of people coming and saying, oh, I would like to buy this motorcycle helmet. One of your friend will say, oh, my friend would like it, I will send him the link, and this is going through the Instagram, and a lot of people right now really like the social media, so this can actually work pretty well for you. I have different ads over there, different thing that I do, I actually post over there because anything you do will bring a customer for your business. Now, again, the most important thing to know that each time you're trying to sell something, there's always going to be someone that's going to come and tell you, oh, I will give you less of the amount of you asking for. And this is where you can do one of the two. You know, at the beginning, I used to be very patient, and eventually I say, you know what, enough is enough. You don't always need to be nice to people, okay? I want you guys to understand something. There is something called customer service, and you give customer service, and you need to give the world to people that come and give you money and bother to come and talk to you in person and trying to conduct business with you. But at the same time, people that just want to kind of like rip you off and get something for free, you should not give those people time of the day. What I mean is that if they're being rude to you through the app, offering to you a low amount of money on something, you should not let them actually even into your place of business. You don't want to deal with them. A lot of people will actually ask you to give them a discount without even know what the item is. So this is one of the things that I would like you to know, and it's very important that you know how to deal with those people. A lot of them are lowballer. They're gonna threat you with Yelp review and whatever. Do not fall for the victim for those. You do whatever you want, and you are the business owner. I hope that this is help. If you have any question or comment, put it below, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and ask me any question you need.